JROTC. We are the best.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, recover!
We go into the wild blue yonder, climbing high into the sun. Here they come to meet our thunder, and boys, give it a gun, hey! Healthy minds, running away from under, off the wall, now on the roar. We live in flame, we'll die in flame, hey! Nothing can stop the U.S. Air Force.
There are 20s and there are 15s and 60s. Now it's a very easy way to do this. You guys gotta demonstrate. You're going to dig down like a squat. You're not going to hurt yourself. And you're just going to walk to that orange cone and back. You're going to put them down and you're going to restart the process. Do we all understand? Yes. Over there, where the mat is. Depending on how many you have. Either you guys are going to go on the sides, or you guys are going to go on the ends. You have 4 people go on the ends because you can go on the sides. Yes. That's one reason. Push up for yourself. Share it.